In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clipchamp to edit your media files effectively. Whether you're a complete beginner at video editing or just looking to refine your skills, this guide will take you through the fundamental steps of accessing, manipulating, and finalizing your video projects using Clipchamp. First, let's get started by heading over to Clipchamp. You can open up your browser and search for Clipchamp, or simply type in the website directly if you have it bookmarked already. Clipchamp is a fantastic online video editing tool that's user-friendly and feature-packed, making it perfect for both novice editors and experienced creators. Once you're on the site, you'll want to log in using your preferred credentials. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. You can quickly create an account, usually within a few moments. Now that you're logged in and ready to go, we need to navigate to your media files. This is where all the content you plan to work with is going to be stored. Within Clipchamp, you typically have a section dedicated to media management. Look around for headings like My Media or Media Library. This section is your launching pad for all video edits, so make sure you know how to locate it easily. Once you've found your media, pick the video file you intend to edit. When you select a video, you'll notice handles appear at each corner of your video frame. These handles are essential for resizing your video. If you're looking to zoom into specific parts, simply click and drag the handles outward. This gives you that close-up effect by enlarging your content and drawing attention to focal points. On the other hand, if you wish to zoom out, which essentially reduces the frame size and shows more of your background, all you need to do is drag the handles inward. This function is handy when you want to shift focus or frame your subject differently within the context of your video. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, take a moment to review your work. This is where the preview function comes in handy, letting you ensure the changes align with your vision. If everything looks good, you've successfully completed the process. Congratulations on mastering these essential video editing steps in Clipchamp. While what we did today covers basic editing functionalities, remember that Clipchamp offers a variety of other powerful tools to enhance your projects. As you become more accustomed to the platform, you'll find it offers much more, including filters, transitions, and text overlays to further personalize your videos. That's all for today's guide. I hope you found this tutorial insightful and that it equips you with the confidence to continue exploring Clipchamp's features. Happy editing, and see you in the next video.